What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's Lee here. I'm the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and I have motorcycles crossing as I'm trying to video. I have a home-based rental business that I run from the garage of my house. That's one of my chair cleaners.
Hello, everybody. I'm putting the chairs in piles for my daddy.
So if you haven't yet subscribed, the time is now if you enjoy my videos so that you stay updated with all my new footage and my weekly vlogs. Let's get into this crazy party business week that I had. All right, so we have someone coming to pick up 40 chairs. While we're waiting for them, we are gonna load up 2 orders. So one order we're gonna put in here with dance floor and tents and all sorts of stuff. And then the next order we're gonna put into the trailer. So we're gonna have to go over there, grab the trailer and load it up to keep them separate. Keep the orders separate so we don't get confused. So I'm still stickering things as they're going out. Stickering's a big job, so yeah. So Jace is here just to help me out today. So he's finishing loading up the trailer here. All right, we're locked and loaded here. I did download a route planner app, even though I've only got 2 spots, just to get into the flow of things. So we're off to stop 1. All right, so we're at our first location. It's an airport hangar. We're just gonna unload and dump everything kind of right in the middle. So let's do it. So after that stop, we took a 40-minute drive over to an acreage, and then we set up our second one. This one was kind of cool because it was a pop-up tent setup that I developed from a picture that I found on the internet, and I threw it up on my website, and people booked it a few times this year, but this is the first time that it got booked, so I got to put my vision together and take my own pictures of it. So this is it. Okay, so here's my 12 by 12 subfloor for Snap Lock dance floor. It just snaps together and goes on top pretty easy. I basically just used corner pieces, screws, and 5 by 8 wood, and it made the dance floor good. So this is how it is. Long time. What do you mean? It's been a while. Backflips. All right, it works. So since I didn't have any pole tents going out this week and just those pop-up tents, I thought, hey, why don't I take the center poles from my pole tents, from my 20 by 20, 20 by 30, 20 by 40, and use them as light poles. So I strung the lights across the dance floor on the light poles of the pop-up tents, and it was fantastic. So in addition to the yummy footage that I filmed for this YouTube video of this event, I've also made other videos that I use for marketing purposes and explanation purposes. So I made a video about tent stakes and how they work with pop-up tents. So this is my pop-up tent stake video. I hope you like it. So that video, along with a lot of other little videos that I make for my marketing purposes, are done with an app that I use on iPhone called Boosted. It's absolutely great. I did a little review on it. If you want to check out the review, you can click there. All right, let's resume. So I'm out back here. Yeah, sorry, it's a mess. In my caged area. Anyways, I needed somewhere that I could just rinse off rentals when they're coming back, so that I don't have to haul them through the garage into the backyard, or I just need a hose right here. So I installed a hose right there. So I can hydrate my barrels now. That's good news. So regardless, the best part is I now have dedicated water out back here to wash the rentals. So make sure and saran wrap those rentals. These people are picking up, so they're not going out on a cart. So I just saran wrap 3, 3, 3, 3, and so forth. It's better that way. Looks better. Lee, oh Lee, what are you up to now? Why, fixing tent walls, of course. Okay, you're like, Lee, why are you fixing tent walls? A, because I need these tent walls because I need the inventory. B, because I like to show you videos on fixing stuff because people don't fix tent walls the way I do. Because it's probably a waste of time and funds, but it doesn't matter, so let's resume.
All right, let's resume.
So anyways, I had a couple beat up tent walls, so I decided to do 2 different methods to try to fix them. So I found this vinyl product. It's like trampoline vinyl or something, but it's like tent vinyl too. I think it's called Cortex. And it's got all the flame resistance, it's mold, rot, mildew proof. And then I've got H66 vinyl repair, and basically I'm cutting out pieces of it to replace pieces of the window wall that are all messed up. And then on the other side of the window wall, I'm using the SEM vinyl restoration spray to fix that, and I'm gonna see which method works better, which does a cleaner one, and I'm restoring the tent wall. So that's this, and let's do it. Okay, so I need the stuff: old tent wall, Cortex, scissors, see-through vinyl, rubbing alcohol, H66. Okay, so I've got this plastic vinyl sheet. I should be using something thicker, but I'm not. So I'm just gonna drape it over where I know I need to have it. And then I'm just gonna mark it out with the Sharpie. Okay, so I've marked my pizza square. All right, so I've got my pizza square cut out. Now I'm just gonna clean the area here and glue it on. So you see how that wall turned out. It turned out pretty good if I would have measured the lines a little bit better, and if I would have changed all the windows so that it was all see-through clear. But let's move on to the next thing, painting the other side to see how that restores. that's it. That's the vlog for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. Sorry I've been a little slow at bumping these things out. I'm busy. Anyways, as always, you stay classy. If you liked the video, give it one of those, and we'll see you on the next one. Subscribe if you haven't. You stay classy.